I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and on this channel I post crochet tutorials and patterns every week. Today I'm going to show you a very simple, easy way to crochet the Basketweave Stitch. This is a double-sided pattern and you can use it on baby blankets, afghans, shawls, bags and more. To begin, chain 38 or any multiples of 6 chains plus 2. Start your first row by double crocheting in a 5th chain from the hook. Then make a double crochet in each of the remaining stitches. And this is your first row. On row 2, turn your work and chain 3. And this counts as a double crochet. Next we'll be making a front post double crochet in the next 3 stitches. To make a front post double crochet, yarn over, insert a hook from front to back around the stitch post from previous row, like so. Then yarn over and pull up a long loop. Make sure it's long enough, otherwise your stitches will curl forward. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 remaining loops. And this is how you make a front post double crochet. Now we'll be making 2 more. Next, we'll make a back post double crochet, and to make a back post double crochet, yarn over, and this time we will be inserting the hook from the back around the stitch post, like so. Then yarn over and pull up a long loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And this is how you make a back post double crochet. And next we'll be making 2 more. And this is how your row looks like so far. And to continue, alternate making 3 front post double crochet followed by 3 back post double crochet until you have 1 stitch left. And this is how it looks like so far. And in the last stitch, make 1 double crochet. And this is your second row. And like I said, this is a very simple, easy way to make the Basketweave stitch. So basically just repeat this row until you have the required length. And this is how it looks like. And this is how you crochet the simple Basketweave stitch. If you want to be notified of future crochet tutorials and patterns, consider subscribing to Crafting Happiness channel and hit the notification bell besides the subscribe button. Happy crocheting!